So welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to give you a brief look into how I set up my expression maps in Cubase 8. This is how I work with huge libraries or templates with Spitfire audio. So this will be a mainly Spitfire audio setup. I'm going to bring forth the contact, and you see here I'm using the Spitfire symphonic brass as an example. And I'm always using the lock to UACC key switching. They are not that stable, but they are more stable than when they released it in 2013 or something like that. So I'm going to use it anyway. As you see here, UACC CC20. This is the CC message to change articulations. As for this is 52, 50, 40, 75, 70 and 71. I'm now going to go to expression map here, expression map setup, and press plus. Let's copy paste the same B horns A2. Then I'm going to bring forth, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to name this, it's a length, it's a legato. And next I'm going to take length staccato, then tenuto, and then the mighty marcato. It's there, right. Now I've added all the articulations. Now I need to go into output mapping. I'm going to then go to controller and make sure it stands CC32, because that's the CC command that you need to bring in to make it to communicate with the contact instance. Then I'm going to go here and do the same. Controller CC32 on everything, CC32. You could also just write 32 and it comes, right? So now I'm going to go and see, this was 20, CC20. Then I'm writing in 20 here, and the staccato was 40. Let's write in 40. Then the tenuto is 50, and the marcato is 52. I'm going to name this legato, stack, tenuto, and marcato. And one thing that I like to do is on this articulation place, I like to have it as an attribute. As you could see, the legato is on direction. I like to have it as an attribute. I'm going to show you why. This remote place here is if you are going to control the key switching or the expression maps through an external device like an iPhone or an iPad or anything else that sends commands into Cubase. And when I work on some really huge Spitfire audio and my huge templates, I use always remotes on my iPad. I think I use the name of the program is Touch OAC or something like that. So anyway, now we're going to add it here, B horns A2. I'm going to make a fast line. So that's the legato. Let's take a legato line up there. It's okay. Let's do it. And then I'm pressing legato, and I'm going to have, and after all, this is the A2 patch, right? So it's only 2 horns playing. and it's perfect to play, to have it to play more notes in the same time. So here it's 2, 4, 6 horns playing at the same time. And I want dispatches to be, or notes to be staccato. So I press staccato. And I'm going to bam, bam, bam. Take it down, up, down, up. And a tenuto here. Let's do that. And let's bring a back here. And I'm going to take a marcato at the end. And to just keep it a bit alive, I'm going to change the velocities a bit. So that's a fast way of doing it. Doot, doot. Doot, doot, doot. We can do it like this. Right, so you get the point and the idea of how you could make it more easy, more transparent, and more efficient to make mockups. When I'm working with clients and do like these huge mockups for different projects, I always use this technique. And for the horns, we could see now the legato. Let's bring down the So this applies to every Spitfire audio library out there who got UACC. And the fine thing and the beauty of the UACC setup is that it's quite the same on every library that have released. So once you got this setup, you could easily load the A6 patch, right? And they're most likely to be just the same articulation list. And that applies to, like I said, everything they have released. So I hope this was informative, and yeah, that's everything. Take care, bye.